These factional disputes that are threatening the unity of Afenifere, the division between the Ruben Fasoranti and the Ayo Adebajo factions, raising concerns about the unity of Afenifere. What, in your view, can be done to see reconciliation going forward?
Thank you, Chester. Now, what happened is that politics crept into us during the 2023 election. We say we are Yoruba. We are supporting the best candidate. Who is a Yoruba person? That's who we are supporting. Some people say no. That is not it. We are supporting somebody from another enclave, justifiably so for them, so. And then we now believe, then after the election, those of us who says we are going to support the best candidate who's from Yoruba land, we won. At the unity level, we defeated everybody. We defeated our brothers and sisters who say, so I believe that should end the quarrel. Me, I don't believe there is a faction because we are going to align at the end of the day. We are going to align.
How would that alignment take place if there is a sharp difference in political ideology? And I'll give you, an example, taken from the reference that you made during the 2023 general elections, that, a faction or a group of you supported the Yoruba candidate, Bola Tinubu, who eventually won.
Yes.
The other party, supported Mr. Peter Obi. You didn't mention his name, but it's obvious that that's where you were driving at. Is it not clear that the other faction that is now more in the news are for power going to the Southeast, which is represented by Obi? So at what point will there be a convergence if you are still supporting Bola Tinubu? Or are you no longer supporting him?
110% supporting him.
How then would there be convergence?
DC,
particularly towards 2027, just in case if Obi runs again, either on the platform of Labour or, as Dairu Majid said to us, maybe on the platform of the PDP.
let me tell you. Yes, 2027 is coming. Our catchment area is Yoruba land.
For
Afenifere. Baba Olowo said, be a proper Yoruba man first before you can claim to be a good Nigerian. So, the last election, we clear everywhere. So, anybody can talk on the pages of newspaper. You know our ideology, you know our history. This Asiwaju's government, whether we like it or not, we are going to be there for as long as it's there. It's us now.
Is this your position or the position of the Afenifere?
This is the position of Afenifere. We don't have a faction. Yes. We made Asiwaju governor. You see, the other reason why we supported Asiwaju, he knows everything about what Afenifere wants. About restructuring, about looking after the poor people, about devolving powers to the states or region, or state police and so on and so forth, So he knows everything. If he played politics to grab power, yes, he did it perfectly. He's there now. And he's implementing whatever we want. Even though things are very, very hard. It's going to be hard because Nigeria has been reduced to rubble before. But now, we are just laying the foundation. It's a foundation now. A lot of us whose house has collapsed, we are in the shed. That's what happened now. So, but after the finishing of the house, we move from the shed to be in a palace. This is what is happening. Nobody is saying that things are rosy. Things are not going to be rosy because Nigeria has been reduced down by the previous government. So, yes, some people will say yes. What they want is 2027. But I can assure you 2027. Landslide. Afenifere will win for Asiwaju landslide. I can assure you that. We know what we want. We know what he's doing. Things are very hard, but foundation, we know the foundation. A lot of people at the lower level will not understand what is happening. All what they want is, I want to eat, I want to eat, I want to eat. Yes, we're going to give them food, but let us lay a very good foundation for Nigeria. This government is just about two years plus.
Not even up to
2 years.
Not to 2 years.
In May.
For goodness sake,
Still
it's going to take about 8 years for us to say yes. We are out of the woods. It has happened all over the world
Just that
before.
people will say that the last 8 years before this government,
Yes,
it's of the same party, and that it was Ashwaju that brought General
Do
Muhammadu Buhari.